In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task tracker Teamspace in Notion. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll have a dedicated place where you and your team can organize tasks, track progress, and stay on the same page. First, open Notion on your computer and make sure you're in the workspace where you want to set this up. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Teamspaces. This is where shared areas for different teams or projects live. If you don't see it right away, try hovering over the sidebar or expanding it so the full menu appears. Go ahead and click on Teamspaces to open that section. Once you're in the Teamspaces area, you'll see any existing Teamspaces that have already been created. To add a new one, look for a small plus sign, usually near the top or beside the Teamspaces header. This plus button is what you'll use to create a brand new Teamspace. Click on the plus sign. After clicking, Notion will show you options for what kind of Teamspace or template you want to start from. Here, you're going to choose the Task Tracker option. This is a ready-made setup designed specifically for managing tasks, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Scan the list of templates or options until you see Task Tracker, then click on it to select it. Once you've clicked on the Task Tracker option, Notion will guide you through some on-screen prompts. These prompts might ask you to name your Teamspace, choose who has access, or confirm some basic settings. Take a moment to give your Teamspace a clear descriptive name, like Marketing Task Tracker or Product Roadmap Tasks, so everyone immediately understands its purpose. As you go through each prompt, read the descriptions carefully and adjust settings to fit your team's needs, such as deciding whether everyone in the workspace can see it or only specific members. When you finish following the prompts, Notion will create the Task Tracker Teamspace for you. From here, you can start adding tasks, assigning them to teammates, setting due dates, and customizing views like boards or lists to match how your team prefers to work. And that's it. You've successfully created a Task Tracker Teamspace in Notion, and you're ready to start organizing your work more efficiently.